Okay, so I look crazy, one. But a lot of people are asking me if they could see my apartment. And so I guess this is where I start my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the front door. I'm literally still like just moving everything in. But this is gonna be the dining room area. There we go, you could see more. This is clearly the little kitchen and bar stool area. This is the living room. Now this right here is my favorite part of the apartment. Now this is my favorite part. There's literally a pond across the street and it has alligators, so hopefully you guys can, if I keep up my videos, you guys can one day see alligators and whatnot. Oh, let me get some light in here. But this is my little kitchen. I like it. It's enough space for me. It has a lot of storage, actually. This has a pantry right here. It's pretty nice size. But yeah, so that's that. This has like the water and AC and everything in here. So that's just like a whatever closet. But then it has more like space there to store stuff. And this is my bathroom. Yeah, I'm recording this on my phone, so. But this has a nice little linen closet in here. It's actually really big. This is obviously the bathroom with nothing in it yet besides my little toothbrush holder that doesn't have my toothbrush in it yet. And then this is my room. It's a pretty big size. And again, the view is the pond. Oh, it's pouring outside. I definitely have to clean those windows. But this is my huge closet. Yes, there's no clothes in here, nothing yet besides my millions of freaking shoes. But yeah, this is where we at so far. But so yeah, that's my little mini apartment tour. I thought you guys might like this. So if you guys want me to do more videos of what it's like living in Florida compared to Jersey, just, I guess, comment down below or whatever. And I can definitely start that. I feel like that would be a cool thing to maybe start. But yeah, it's currently pouring, so it was that nice 5 minutes ago. Now it's dark and shitty out. But it's fine, because I have this little space.